Imagine wandering through the charming streets of Matera, Italy, where ancient cave dwellings tell stories of a bygone era. Or picture yourself in the lush landscapes of Georgia, where the stunning Caucasus Mountains meet vibrant vineyards, offering a taste of their exquisite wines. Then there's the breathtaking beauty of the Azores, Portugal, an archipelago bursting with volcanic craters, hot springs, and lush greenery, perfect for nature lovers. Don't overlook the vibrant culture of Tbilisi, Georgia, with its eclectic architecture and warm hospitality. And how about the serene beaches of the Isle of Skye in Scotland? Rugged cliffs, mystical landscapes, and a sense of tranquility that feels like stepping into a painting. These underrated gems are waiting to be explored, each offering unique experiences that will leave you with unforgettable memories.